Hello. The videos that will follow are going to be instructional videos on how to cite your sources using Noodle tools. The sources come from your National History Day project. Let me give you a brief overview of what National History Day is. It is an organization that is to help encourage you to do research and gives you kind of a framework on how to do that research. And every year, National History Day comes up with a theme. And this year's theme in 2019 is Triumph and Tragedy. They've got different resources for you to use in starting your research. They even have some videos on the website to help you break down the theme and help it go to your topic that you have chosen. They also have this theme book here, um, and it has some topic samples to help you get started, just thinking on how it fits to the theme. And they've broken down between U.S. history, European history, and world history. That is on their website. I'm going to close that. And they have some handouts for you to be able to write your thesis. And we'll work on that in class. And they also have a theme narrative. They have resources for students about the annual theme and how-to project categories, project examples. So with the project categories, it gives you specific how to create a documentary, different things like that, getting started, and the process paper. This shows you how to create exhibit and so on. So it's just very helpful. This website is very helpful when you're doing your project. It also has project examples so that you can go look at past winners. It even has all the way back to 2015 at this point. And National History Day is just helps you to be able to take your research that you've done and be able to put it all together and vocalize what you learned. And if you go to contests, then you get to share that with other people and be judged on how well you fit your topic to the theme. There is this video on here that kind of gives a brief overview of what National History Day is. There are 3 different levels of contest. There is regional, there's state, and then there's national, which is in Washington, D.C. So you get to pick your project, and that gives you ownership. And I hope you get excited about this project.